What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully all of you guys are having a great day. So guys, today this video is going to probably be a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot on the truck. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to kind of just go over what we are going to be doing to this truck, where everything is at, and how, and everything kind of surrounding my channel. So guys, if you have been watching my channel for any of my videos, you know that this is my 91 and a half Dodge D250 that I have done. Most of all the work on this channel, all the videos have been about this truck. So also a couple of them have been about my dad's truck. I think maybe one or two of them, maybe three, I'm not exactly sure. But on this truck, right now what I have done to it is I have the DDP 3200 RPM spring. I have the timing advanced all the way. I have the fuel screw turned the whole way in. I have the muffler deleted. It's a stock exhaust with the axle dump with a 4 to 6 tip with an adapter that goes 3 to 4 with the 4 to 6 tip. I have the you can see the new I think these are off of an 08 Dodge, the aluminum wheels with Nitto 420s on it. On the interior, I have Corey Jones Designs 3-gauge pod with autometer 03 to 07 factory match, boost, pyrometer, and transmission temp. I also have the transmission right now is stock. Let's talk about the transmission a little bit. My transmission is stock. I had my transmission shop that we do a lot of work with. We're at the shop where I work. I work for my dad. And he was going to build me a lockup transmission from one of these older trucks. He claimed was a 46RH machine to accept lockup with a different torque converter. So we were waiting on that. That's been about 5 months ago. If you remember any of my early videos, I mentioned doing a transmission. We have not received that transmission yet. He still claims he's looking for a core. So I think I'm going to go a different direction with the transmission. I'm probably going to swap a 47RH into this truck, is what I'm thinking as of now. I'm not for certain yet. We're still trying to decide exactly what's going to happen with that. But yeah. That's probably what we're going to do with the transmission, is swap in a 47RH. Now, on the fuel side and the air side is completely stock. I do not have any injectors or turbo. Also, not power mods. I do also have a Fass 150, but I have reverse level. The front has Moog 7226 springs that raise it up about 1.5 inches over stock, to where the truck is pretty much perfectly level. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. So one thing I wanted to say is everything I'm doing to my truck is all my own money. I'm not sponsored. My dad's not paying for it. Nothing like that. So everything is coming directly out of my own pocket. So that is why maybe some videos I'm not exactly doing power mods. I'm doing just maybe smaller stuff. And that's why I only do a video a week, because I don't have a ton of money to dump into this thing. I'm slowly building it. I'm trying my best at giving you guys good content. Also, that kind of brings me to my next point, sorta. My goal for this truck is about 600 to the rear tire with the VE pump on the truck. Now, before you drop a comment in the comments section and say that's impossible, the most that's ever been made is 400, 450, maybe 500. I want to let you know that there's a guy, I put it up here on the screen, as the Hungry Diesel. I put his Instagram name on the screen. The Hungry Diesel out of Utah has made 643 with a VE pump. Now, he has a 24 valve head, and he does have some other stuff done to it, but it is possible with a built motor and a lot of aftermarket stuff done to the truck. It is possible to achieve over 600. Now that is a corrected dyno number. In Utah, I believe it was Salt Lake. I could be wrong. But at about 5,000 feet elevation, give or take, he made 515 uncorrected. 643 was corrected numbers. We'll see exactly, but I know that 600 is achievable without nitrous. So that is kind of my goal for the truck. Long term. That is long term. I mean, it's not going to happen overnight. It might be a year. It might be who knows how long. I mean, it just depends how fast the channel grows. If you guys enjoy what I've been showing you guys so far on the truck with all my other videos, this video, please like this video. It helps the channel out a lot if you do. If you have Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link or my name right on the screen here. The link is on my homepage on my YouTube channel, and down in the right hand corner of the main banner across the top. You can click on that. It should take you right to my Instagram. You can direct message me if you got questions on these trucks. If I don't know the answer, I got people that do know, and I will get you an answer. If you got any questions about what I already have done to the truck, be sure to let me know. I mean, you can leave a comment down in the comments below, but the best way to get a hold of me is to direct message me on Instagram. You'll get a lot faster response that way. So yeah, liking my videos, that helps a lot. Subscribing, just please subscribe if you're new. If this is the first video you've watched, don't gauge my channel by this video. We've got more better things coming. We have yeah, a lot of stuff. I've been looking at an S300 turbo for this truck. It's an S363 68 with a .83 AR housing T4. That is coming probably after the transmission. So I'm hoping to get the transmission done within the next month or two. Don't hold me to that, because it could be longer. It just depends on exactly how much everything costs. Like I said before, I'm paying for everything myself. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I know it wasn't a whole lot of content on the truck, but if you enjoyed any of my previous videos, make sure to go watch some of my previous videos if this is a new video for you. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.